What's up, everyone? Back with another video. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of candy. Get those sweet tooths ready because I've got 6 irresistible homemade candy recipes that will blow your mind. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth goodness, chewy delights, and chocolatey dreams, all made with love and a whole lot of sugar. Make sure you hit that like button down below if you're ready to embark on this sugary adventure with me. And if you're new here, welcome to the fam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious upload. All right, enough chit-chat. Let's get this candy-making party started. All right, guys. First up, we're making chocolate-covered honeycombs. Fun fact, this delightful treat has been around for ages. It's true. This recipe has been satisfying sweet cravings since the 1800s. Crazy, right? Okay, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of honey, a teaspoon of baking soda, and some melted chocolate for coating. Don't worry, we won't be baking an actual cake today. Now for the fun part. Pour your sugar into a saucepan. Next, add the honey and stir over medium heat until it bubbles. Quickly add in the baking soda and watch it foam up. Pour the mixture into a baking tray and let it set. Once set, break it into pieces and dip them in melted chocolate. And there you have it, chocolate-covered honeycombs, easy peasy. Next up, we're going full-on Willy Wonka mode and making taffy. You know, that super stretchy candy that's basically impossible to eat gracefully? Yeah, that's the one. Just try not to pull out any fillings with this one. All right, here's what you'll need. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, butter a baking sheet. Combine everything in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, then remove from heat. Stir in vanilla and pour onto the baking sheet. Let it cool, then butter your hands and pull the taffy. Cut into pieces and enjoy. Get ready for a classic, folks, because we're about to make toffee. This buttery, crunchy treat is a fan favorite for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to make and even more difficult to resist. Seriously, hide this stuff from yourself. To conquer this toffee, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of chopped nuts. I'm going with pecans because they're my jam. First, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, in a saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, water, and salt. Bring this to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once the mixture reaches 290 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer, immediately remove it from the heat. Stir in your chopped pecans and pour the mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it out evenly. Let it cool completely before breaking it into delicious shards of toffee goodness. You're welcome. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're making Buckeyes. These little bites of peanut buttery heaven are shaped to look like, you guessed it, Buckeyes. Get it? Because they look like nuts? I crack myself up. Okay, enough with the dad jokes. Let's get to the good stuff. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. First, beat together your peanut butter and softened butter until smooth. Gradually add in your powdered sugar and vanilla extract, mixing until a dough forms. Roll that dough into 1-inch balls and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Melt your chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each peanut butter ball into the melted chocolate, coating it completely. Place them back on the parchment paper to set, and there you have it. Buckeyes that are almost too cute to eat. Almost. Get ready for a textural adventure, my friends, because we're making Rocky Road. This classic treat is all about that perfect combination of crunchy, chewy, and chocolatey goodness. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. To create this masterpiece, you'll need 4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of mini marshmallows, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. First, melt your chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Once melted, stir in your sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract until well combined. Now, gently fold in your mini marshmallows and chopped walnuts. Pour this glorious mixture into a parchment-lined 9 by 13-inch baking dish and spread it out evenly. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. Once set, cut into squares and get ready to experience pure Rocky Road bliss. We're ending this candy extravaganza with a bang. We're making fudge. Let's be real, everyone loves fudge. It's chocolatey, it's rich, it's basically a hug in dessert form. You'll need 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and your favorite mix-ins. Melt the chocolate chips, stirring until smooth. Stir in the milk, vanilla, and salt. Add your mix-ins. Pour into a dish, sprinkle sea salt, and refrigerate until firm. Cut into squares and enjoy your chocolate euphoria. And there you have it, folks. 6 irresistible homemade candy recipes to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and fun. Until next time, stay sweet.